Okay, so when you first get your canopy, what I normally do is I normally assemble my round components together and I place them flat on the floor. And that actually tells me exactly where I need to put my bases. So starting out, we're going to just place our pieces round in a circle. And you want to actually be certain that the right connecting pieces are connecting to each other. So what you will have is two complete C-shape these components. When you connect two of them, it'll be like in a C shape, and you're going to use both of those and connect them to your uprights. But so you can know where your uprights are, you just place them on the floor. So you're going to take, so also when you are placing all of your bars together, you want to make sure that your hooks are facing down, because it just would be a nuisance if you go to assemble all these babies and then your hooks are up and then you got to flip it around, and just unnecessary. So make sure your hooks are facing down as you're connecting your two bars. So this piece is one unit that actually connects the two bars together. So you'll have two of these when you get the round canopy uprights. Round canopy crossbars. So same thing with this piece. You want to make sure that, if you can see that, the hook is facing down. Otherwise, you're going to have a big mess. So only thing you're going to do is fasten that button, and it clasps right in place. Just like that. So you're going to do the same thing for the other side. So to just kind of show you close up, it's a little silver button here that you're going to be inserting into these little holes. And again, make sure that your hook, if you can see that, is facing down. So you just push the button in, and it locks in place. Make sure it's locking in place though. So just put that back on the floor, and then connect your other two. So now that you have all four of your crossbars in a full circle, you know exactly where the bases need to be. It needs to be at each of the 2 points where the two round circle crossbars are going to meet, and then exactly under the middle hook. So you're going to place one here, just like that. Then you're going to place this one here, right under that hook. Place this one here. And then your last one here. Right? Just like that. So once you have everything lined up right, as far as your bases, you just take your uprights and you stick one on each base. Okay, so now that you have all of your uprights wherever you want them to be properly placed, this is now the time for you to pick up your crossbars. And I normally, with the way that these are designed, I love it because it's so much easier to just handle two pieces at a time as opposed to having to pick the whole thing assembled, right? Now, prior to starting, I would be sure that all of my slots are lined up exactly where I need them to be. That just kind of saves on time for you to get it up and then having to make adjustments, right? So if you are by yourself, I normally start with the middle, get that hook in there, then kind of just work my way around. And then just work my way around to the other side. It's so much easier if you have someone with you, but that may not be the case all the time. So, gotta do what you gotta do, right? So here we go. Again, line up that middle. Get that hook in there. Pull your pole up. Get it into that hook. Then, voila. There is your canopy fully assembled. Now this is just a basic round canopy. It's so many other, so many other different embellishments you can do. You could do a drop ceiling. You could extend another pole here so you can have a chandelier. You could do crystal curtains. It's so much you can do when it comes to canopies. And if you want to check out some more of my videos, be sure to subscribe, hit that button because you'll see all of that and more. So stay tuned.